Hey everybody, Rotator coming at you. I wanted to give you a look at the Sonic plant here. This is August 2nd update. Now we're following this plan all the way from germination to my rolling tray. Everything that I do, pretty good look at her every 15 days. Let me give her a little. Yes sir, that is her. Supersonic Blizzard. Super high hopes for her this year, guys. I haven't fed her a single thing yet. I've amended my soil, of course, but I've only given it rainwater so far to August 2nd. And I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek at the strawberry. I haven't shown you this one a whole lot. This is the other plant I'm growing for personal use. Strawberry lemonade. There she is, August 2nd. And we got good times on deck. Back out.